Alright guys, so in this lecture let's add the strings to our guitar. First what I want to do is I want to add two edge loops over here on the guitar body. If you do not really see your geometry of the guitar, you can see it is towards the inside of the guitar but it is not visible towards the outside. What you basically can do is just select the guitar, press tab, press A to select everything, then you can just press shift plus N and you can see this will fix the normals. Basically the normals were flipped, that's why it was appearing inside out. So yeah, now I will just press Ctrl R, add two edge loops like this, hit right click to place them at the center, then press S, then Y and scale them out. You will notice that when you press S then Y, nothing really happens because we are currently in individual origins. So we need to change this back to maybe bounding box center or median point. Now if you press S then Y, you can see now it scales properly. So something around here. The reason I'm creating these edge loops is because it is easier to add a texture in Substance Painter directly to these two strips because we will be making them like a different color. So yeah, that's why I'm doing it. Let's select them both once again and I will just decrease the thickness a little bit. And yeah, that's pretty good, I think. So yeah, now we can proceed. So for the strings, basically press Shift A and this time go into curve and add a path. So this is our path, press R, then type in 90 to rotate it by 90 degrees on your number pad. Let's bring it out over here. Alright, let's start by giving it a little bit of thickness. So go into geometry and in the bevel section, increase the depth and you will see it will give this cylindrical and when you increase the depth, you can see it will give this like cylindrical shape. But the thing about this is it is like really easy to like change the shape of this curve. So that's why I chose this instead of a normal cylinder. So yeah, let's just set the thickness to something like 0.03 maybe. 0.03 is too big, 0.003 I meant. Because if I am speaking correctly, the thickness of all the guitar strings are like different. So we can like maybe make this one the thickest and then we can decrease the thickness overall. So maybe I will increase this to 0.0035. Press Ctrl A, apply the scale and let's start. So press tab and I will enable X-ray and just delete all these vertices over here. So press X and delete them. Make sure just two vertices are there. Let's place one over here like this and another one over here at the top, just about somewhere around here. And now quickly press 3 to move to the right side view. Again select both of them and move them over here like this. Yeah, that's good. Select it and place this like this over here. And now basically I will press E to extrude it once and then press E once again. You need to like extrude it a couple of times, then it works correctly. So yeah, we need to extrude it like 3 times and now we can move it around. So don't really move it ahead, just place it till here only. And now I will just duplicate it, press press G then X and move it over here. Then again just press tab and align it according to the new string and just place it just like this. Till here, and I will decrease the thickness to 0.003 maybe. Again, let's duplicate this, press X and place this one like this, press tab, and yeah, just align them all according to the reference image. We will properly fix them later on, but for now just place them like this. We can keep the thickness for these two the same, and let's again select this, press Shift plus D and place this one over here. Let's decrease the thickness even more to 0.0025. Again press tab and place this one over here. Again duplicate this. Let's just quickly duplicate it 2 more times. And for these two, we can finally set the thickness to 0.002 for both of them. Press tab, enable X-ray, and again just quickly place them both. All right, we are good to go now. So quickly just press 3 and check from the right side. Yeah, everything is looking fine. Now select this, press tab. Okay, before we actually make any changes, just select all these pieces over here and move them roughly in their position. Just like that. And now let's select the first string and just place it directly over here like this. If you want, you can press 3 and just move it like this. Press E once again to extrude it and move it inwards. Select this one, press tab, enable X-ray, and just move it directly over here. Press 3 for the right side view, press G then Y and move it back. Extrude it a little bit. Sorry, just to make it seem like it is going inside this. And yeah. Select this one now, press tab, enable X-ray, and this one goes directly over here. Make sure to check if there are any kind of shading issues. Make sure there are none. And yeah, that's pretty good. Select this one, press tab again, and this one goes right over here. Like this. Let's see. Alright, that's pretty good. Press tab, enable X-ray, and this one we can place it over here. And the last one goes directly like this. Yeah, perfect. Everything is fitting pretty good. You can check over here also. Yeah, I think the strings are looking really nice. Let's just hit save. And I think, in my opinion, we are pretty much done with the modeling of our guitar. So in the next lecture, we will apply all the modifiers and just quickly export it to Substance Painter. First, we will UV unwrap it and then export it to Substance Painter to start with the texturing. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.